Hello, this video will explain the dip switch settings of the Ness Lux wire detector to assist licensed technicians during their setup or maintenance. This video is specific for the Ness Lux hardwired detector, part number 106-173. See the link in the description for more information or go to our trade website to place an order. Ness Lux detectors are sleek and clean security sensors. Here's the detector next to a phone. Let's proceed with the dip switch settings. Dip switch 1 is used to set the size of the room. For most household rooms, it is default in the off position, where the sensor will detect in a range of up to 12 meters. For larger rooms, this is set in the on position, which will allow for a range of up to 15 meters. Dip switch 2 is used for sensitivity adjustment. The default setting is a dip switch set to off in the 3 to 4 setting. In this setting, 3 to 4 steps of movement will trigger the sensor. Setting it to on or the 1 to 2 setting will increase the sensitivity and will trigger in 1 to 2 steps. For most alarms, the 3 to 4 lower sensitivity setting is used to reduce nuisance trips. Dip switch 3 is used for the pet function. For households that have small to medium sized pets at home, like cats and dogs, this setting paired with the flap adjustment can be used to reduce the likelihood of a pet being picked up by the sensor. It must be used in conjunction with the flap also being put in the up position. If the pets are large or likely to jump around, this feature may not be suitable. However, for most pets, this is a very handy feature. If the property does not have pets, then leave this dip switch off and leave the flap down. Dip switch 4 turns the blue indicator on or off. It is on by default, but depending on preferences, customers may prefer to have it set to off. It only comes on when it detects movement. Dip switch 5 is for the white nightlight. When the sensor is triggered in a dark hallway or a low light area, the white LED turns on, illuminating the space. Many customers use this feature for getting up at night or walking through a dark corridor with their hands full. Setting it to manual is the off position and auto is the on position. It is also used in tandem with dip switch 6. Dip switch 6 works in conjunction with dip switch 5. It adjusts the sensitivity of the night light. The off or default position means the sensor will trigger when there is a moderate amount of light. The on position means it will only trigger when it is dark. Use this dip switch in conjunction with dip switch 5 for a custom setup that suits the customer's needs. That's all the settings for the Lux wire detector, part number 106-173, to help technicians during security alarm installations. Each Lux detector has a small label inside to help you remember these settings. Lux detectors are predominantly used with the full range of Ness D+ and all the D series alarms, as well as TCOM, Bosch, and many other popular alarm systems. See the links in the description below for manuals, information, ordering, and pricing with your Ness Trade account. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for our other upcoming videos. For your own home, if you'd like one of the best, most featured security sensors in the market, speak to your local security alarm specialist and ask them for Ness Lux detectors.